What is going on? It's Crazy1870. So I just got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. I tried to get the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, but you already know they were all sold out. I didn't get a chance to pre-order, but I did get my hands on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Now I did go with the baseline model, which is the 128 gigabytes of storage, and I believe 8 gigs of RAM. So let's go ahead and dive right into it and see what the hype is all about. All right, so I want to go ahead and apologize for the false information at the beginning of the video. I believe this is the 128 gigs of storage with 6, not 8, 6 gigs of RAM. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this. All right. So it looks like we have our extras on this side, and we got the phone right off the bat, which is a pretty small phone, but nonetheless, it still looks really, really nice. Let me go ahead and set it to the side real quick. So we got your power brick, which is what you're gonna use to charge your phone. We also got an adapter right here. What is this right here? You got your cable right here, which is what you're gonna use to charge and sync the device. And you also got some AKG earbuds that are included within the actual box. So we're gonna go ahead and see what else is right here as far as the paperwork. Also got a SIM card too, which is really useful. And you're pretty much your traditional paperwork. You got your quick guide, your limited warranty, which is gonna help you set up and get that S10e up and running. So coming back to the Galaxy S10e, we're gonna go ahead and remove this. Do you guys hear that? That's that sound of that fresh, new Galaxy device. Anyway, so here we have the Galaxy S10e. Obviously, this is sort of like a smaller device than obviously the other models. You got the S10 Plus and the other standard S10. Now this is a 5.8 inch Gorilla Glass 5, and let me tell you guys, the phone feels very, very comfortable to hand. Not too big, not too bulky. It just fits perfectly in the hand. I also did do a kind of like a quick setup on it for video purposes, and it was just very comfortable when setting up the phone and typing it. But you got a 5.8 inch Gorilla Glass 5 with the res, I believe, of 1080 by 2280 at 438 PPI. And you got a front-facing camera, which I believe is a 10 megapixel shooter with a wide lens, and it also records 1080p video. Now here on the side, you got your button, which serves as obviously a fingerprint scanner. So with this one, you're not gonna get the sort of like the built-in screen fingerprint scanner here at the bottom, but you have it here on the side, which works upon testing it out. Just pretty much first impressions, it works flawless. Let's go ahead and try it out right now. So you guys see how quick that works? Quick. Snappy. Bang. One more time. Bang, bang. There you guys have it. So here in the back, obviously a little bit of fingerprint magnet. It is glass, I believe Gorilla Glass 5 as well, all around the phone. And Samsung Galaxy S10e here at the bottom end of the phone. And here at the bottom, there is something new, which looks like we have a headphone jack. You got your charging port, and you also got your grill to the lower right hand side. Now here you got dual cameras. You have a 12 megapixel shooter wide. You also got a 16 megapixel shooter ultra wide. So you get two options, two cameras. You also got your flash here towards the right hand side. But nonetheless, I mean, the phone feels, I don't know, it's the S10E. This is sort of like, I don't know if you want to call it sort of like the baseline lower end model of the two brothers, but I am liking the size. I like it. I think it fits perfect in the hand. Not too overly big, not too overly heavy. It just feels right. Now, this is also running Android 9.0, I believe, but I will get more deeper into the actual performance and just natural day-to-day use with the Galaxy S10e. But nonetheless, it feels, I don't know, it feels very, very comfortable in the hand. Maybe because I'm coming from the 8 Plus, sort of like bigger phones in general. Obviously a fingerprint magnet, but not that big of a deal. And I'm liking the scanner. Let me go ahead and get out of here real quick. Wow. I don't know how I feel about it not having it here towards the bottom. I don't think I'm ready to give my full impressions on that yet, but I will report back in the full review. But nonetheless, the fingerprint scanner here on the side just works super, super fast. Let me go ahead and try it one more time. Bang. So that is the Galaxy S10e. Just a quick unboxing and first impressions of the device. Make sure to keep it locked. Leave me your comments down below on if there's anything in particular you guys want to see. Leave them in the comments. I have also the Galaxy Watch coming in as well within 4 days. The active watch. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. Oh, one thing. All right, so let me go ahead and clarify something that I said at the beginning of the video in regards to the S10e display. So as far as the display, I said it a little bit wrong. I said it reversed. So as far as the display goes, looking at a 5.8 inch Full HD dynamic AMOLED infinity display with the resolution of 2280 by 1080. It's not 1080 by 2280. So my bad. With a PPI of 438. Now, as far as the power share feature, you're also going to get it on the 10e. I can't show that right now, unfortunately, because I don't have another device and I don't have the watch. But as soon as I get it, I'll make sure to share that with you guys. I'm also going to touch bases on it on the full review coming up as well. So if you guys have anything in particular that you guys want me to show or cover, leave them in the comments below. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all the links in the video description, and leave me your comments below. You know, I kind of like to interact with you guys and see what you guys, you know, have to say. But pretty much that's it for this one. I got another video coming up as well. I don't know if I'm able to cover it today because I have to go to work tomorrow, but nonetheless, please keep it locked to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.